In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a messenger room on Instagram. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do this, make sure your Instagram app is updated and you have Facebook Messenger installed. Now open the Instagram app and go to the DM section. Click this video calling button from the top. As you can see, it gives an option to create a room. Tap that option. It fetches your Facebook account and creates a messenger room for you. On the next screen, you can select to send invitations to your Instagram friends to join the room. After inviting Instagram friends, you get room details along with options to copy link, send link, and join room. Click the Join Room button and proceed with Messenger. This takes you to the room where you can video call with 50+ people without any time limitations. That's it guys, this is how you can create a messenger room from Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.